Hey guys, it's your boy Sean. Today we're gonna be playing Wolf Quest from the beginning. So I am here with my Wolf Everest. I really like the name Everest, so I just keep all the names of my Wolf Everest. And I'm here to go to. We can do the ground. Okay, go to this link and try to find. I'm already over 800. Let me show you. So I put on here first so I can get the you see Wolf, your Wolf Everest under health. You can see a 5041. You need 800 to be able to start mating, and I on that so I can go here and then when I travel to the south to find my dad and my cubs, I can name them and all that. So you're gonna need 2,000. So here you're gonna need 2,000 of this, like under health or whatever. And then like that, you're gonna need 2,000 of that, 2,090 to 250 to name your pups. So I do that all here. You can get it very quick by just hunting elk and really hunting elk, trying to find killing wolves and finding wolves. Don't be nice to a wolf until you get 900, because then that's when you start. 800. That until you get male. I think I might be found. Who are you looking at? I want to be boss because he's being to be boss. I want to be boss. And I'm just going to keep doing this. And make sure you support my man Nate P. Flipping. I love him. He's the one in the background. I'm just going to kill him. Okay. I give in. And now leave now. Obviously having to pay money for a baby, bro. Okay, now since I'm already over 800, I don't gotta go to the other ones, so I'm just gonna keep looking for cent here. Let me see what I'm at. Oh, stick up there. Love to find out how to start a business. Oh, well, that sounds so
Bro, she's miserable with her life, bro. She takes it out on other people. And this is the type of people.
Guys, it's getting hard. And if I can't floss after a couple of seconds, I'm gonna just go to another one. So I guess I'm gonna find something. Oh crap, here we go.
Lisa, Helen, and I have the brownies covered. You got cupcakes, so I thought that was next month.
Okay, he'll say, I'm not sure about this. I'll say, hello there. And then he'll say, hello there. I'll say, I like you.
Your emails. I guess I must have missed that one. Of course you did.
He'll say, I like you.
Well, fine. We could use cookies. Can I count on you for 2 dozen? Sure.
And then let's play.
You just got done hearing that money has been tight, bro. And you really gonna pressure her to make 24 cookies? Really?
Let's start a pack. So you're gonna do 1 hello there, 2 I like yous, then 2 more So let's start packing. So there go one, and then I'm gonna do another one, and boom, and then boom, and then here we go again, and then it should tell you to name him.
Because I've always
I'm just gonna name him
do what you love, the money will always follow.
Facts.
I really like that.
Lincoln.
I don't know if
I will name
that's
him
what I
Lincoln.
love. That.
Okay, and now
Oh,
gonna go
I hate
here.
this. I was so tired of getting like these red marks on my arm from carrying the carrier that I just made it at home and now I don't get them with this. I wish I would have thought of that when Max was little. Well, if you ever plan to have another kid, let me know and I'd be happy to make you one. Andy, you ready? It was so nice to see you, Kate. Good to see you. Bye. So how was school, honey? Yeah? Oh, hi there. 2 dozen cookies.
Almost done.
Thanks. I love your necklace. Oh, thanks. I call them bite beads. My baby Ella is always chewing on any jewelry I wear. So I decided, why not?
Kids be
And then I
loving
go to
grabbing a
slaughter.
hold of necklaces, bro. Like, even like, bro, I kid y'all not, man. I don't even know how many necklaces I've
No,
gone through
try
in my
to
lifetime just
survive.
because my own kid, bro.
Good advice.
Jewelry chewable. I do the same thing with my bracelets. Wow, that is genius. I could never wear jewelry when Max was little because he would do the same thing. Where did you get those? Oh, it's just
She made 'em.
a little something I made at home. Seriously?
So she crafty, bro.
When you don't have an extra pair of hands to help round, you kind of have to get.
And here comes the grouchy lady.
But you know what they say? The necessity is the mother of invention.
She gonna really talk about the cookies, ain't she, bruh?
You know what Mom definitely came up with that quote. What's these? Oh, I found Polly. Where did you get these? I got them from this great little bakery right down the street. They're
I don't like when my maid is in front of me.
You should try one.
Bro. And boom, I got it up.
Bake sale. Yeah. So everything needs to be
He's doing my-
homemade. That way we assure it's all organic and it doesn't include any potential allergens.
It's a bake sale. Like, it doesn't matter. It's probably worse that you allow people to make them at home to sell in a bake sale if you so worried about allergens. Like, people got dogs and cats that be running into the kitchen. You gonna be dealing with pet hair and stuff like that. And then are you gonna really trust everybody that's making their food at home?
I've noticed it seems like it's getting hotter.
The wildfires, the heat domes, the higher sea level rise, these are part of the same phenomena. This is climate change.
Then go to the tree.
Home in regards to what they put into the food, for real? And you worried about allergens?
Okay,
I made sure that they didn't use any of the ingredients that you had on that allergy list you sent out. And I even got some gluten-free and some vegan ones in case there's any dietary restrictions. No. We have no way of knowing.
I swear, if she throws out these cookies, bro, I hope she chokes on a fucking cupcake and
If that
goes to the hospital for it. I don't know.
it's true or not. Sorry.
Hey guys,
We can't
man.
sell these. We're gonna have to throw them away. But
I already
just
see
spent
it again.
$40 on them.
Y'all can't see looking at this distance that brown tree.
Come on,
It's not actually the only brown tree.
Can we make an exception?
The other trees are black, but I think they're turned brown. See some nearby then I'll just go do these two trees with these two. I'm tired guys, I'm making this video late. And then these two, it is, look guys, it's 11:47, but not that late because I stay up until the sunrise.
Homemade
But
cookies. Besides, what message are you sending with store-bought ones? That cutting corners is
make
okay.
this
I'm telling you,
my bed.
I hope this storyline shows us how this Sharon girl lived, bro. She lives a miserable life,
Mission
bro.
complete.
I
My
can't wait to see how her life is outside this
Now
school
I
program, bro.
want to.
You know what? If you want to contribute, why don't you write a check like the other working moms did? But I've been putting everything into my business and I have nothing to spare. I mean, that was over my budget as it was. Then do you really think you're in a position to start a new business? I mean, my husband is a PC, and with all the baggage you have going on here, he wouldn't take a second glance. Why don't you forget about the money and the cookies? You can throw them away on your way out. Bye-bye. That way.
Bro, I swear I'd be taking them cookies out the box and chucking it. I probably wouldn't, because then she'd be a Karen and call 911 easily. 911 would be the first people. Bro. Yeah, man.
Go to the second block and I keep pushing that one instead of my
I'm trying to think what I would do.
my
I
territory.
would accidentally throw the cookies. It was on accident, bro.
Take another
Oops,
page.
sorry. It's all over your face.
And we're going to do it again. I'm going to do it again.
Miss Jones?
Yeah?
Hi. I'm Dorothy with the accounting department at the school.
Oh. Hi. Is everything okay?
Yeah, sort of. I just wanted to follow up on the email that I sent a few weeks ago, about the tuition. The school still hasn't received a check yet.
What kind of school are the kids going to?
I totally blanked.
Do you know when we can expect it? It's been passed to me for a few weeks.
I know. It's just things have been really crazy lately. Is there any way I can get an extension?
Technically, you're already at the end of your extension since it's really past due.
Guys, I'm going to give you a part 2. And I don't like their fur color now that I'm looking at it. And I'm going to change their fur color, okay, guys, when I give you your next one. And that's the one you will be seeing the babies in. Because this one, I'm just going to be marking my territory. And you'll be seeing my babies in the next one, okay? So when it says mission complete, that's when I'm going to end this video. And I'm going to show you the next video I got. Okay, guys.
He was such a great kid, and this is
Here's one PPP.
I'll give you until the end of the month.
Oh, thank you so much. I so appreciate that.
It's just
Oh, guys, and follow the army. And Super Mario Logan.
I will.
Keep taking PPs. Okay,
People that can also be understanding for other people and also be kind to other people, because, like, once again, it all follows in line.
Okay, guys.
In regards of
That is going to be the end of this series. I can't wait to show you my babies. Remember, guys, I'm changing the fur colors of the mom and dad. So, seeing that, I'm just going to have to probably be doing this again. So, when I do that. So I'm just gonna be doing this again, marking the territory. Then I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm gonna keep it in the same game, but when I change the fur, I'm gonna need to do this again. So I'm gonna do this again, so I can show you the babies. Okay, guys. So stay tuned for part 2. Love y'all. Love y'all.